Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy and paste image in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then go to the file menu and go to the place. Now place a image. Now I'm select my image folder. Then select the image and click open and drag the place the image. Now copy. Now firstly select the image and Ctrl C on your keyboard. Then Ctrl V or paste the image easily. Then you can another way, then image copy and paste. Then firstly select an image and click right on your mouse and then the copy. Now select a, then click on outside on image and click paste. Now easily. Now you can see copy and paste image in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.